Jupiter will reach its closest distance to Earth in nearly 60 years Monday night. If the skies are clear enough, and weather reports indicate they may be, stargazers will have their best glimpse of the giant red planet since John F. Kennedy was president. The planet will be 367 million miles from Earth at its closest point Monday, about the same distance it reached in 1963, according to NASA. Though that distance may seem astronomical, and it is, consider that at its furthest point, Jupiter is nearly 600 million miles from Earth. The close approach won't be the only special occurrence involving Jupiter on Monday. The planet will also reach its opposition, when it rises in the east as the sun sets in the west, making it appear larger and brighter than normal, NASA said. The opposition, which occurs every 13 months, rarely coincides with the planet's closest approach to Earth. According to Space.com, Jupiter will be 11% larger and more than 1.5 times brighter than when it reached its furthest distance from Earth 5 years ago. This year's views will be extraordinary, NASA said. The views should be great for a few days before and after September 26, said Adam Kabelski, a research astrophysicist at NASA's Marshall Space Flight Center in Huntsville, Alabama. So, take advantage of good weather on either side of this date to take in the sight. Apart from the moon, Jupiter should be one of the brightest objects in the night sky, he said. How to see Jupiter? Seeing the planet requires only a good pair of binoculars and a bit of planning. Head for a dark area, as far away as possible from city lights, which drown out celestial light. Beaches can be a decent spot for those near the coast, since little light comes from the ocean. Otherwise, find an open, rural area. State parks or large, open fields present great options. Dress warmer than you think you need to. Monday night will reach the mid-40s in parts of Massachusetts, and stargazing is not a quick endeavor. It can take half an hour for eyes to fully adjust to the dark. Jupiter rises in the east around 6:37 p.m. in Boston, and not long after further west. Though that will be well before the sky is dark enough to see Jupiter, the planet will stay up throughout the night Monday, NASA said. Later in the night, a number of stargazing smartphone applications, Sky Safari, Sky Guide, Skyview and Starwalk 2 among them, can help in locating Jupiter wherever it is in the sky. For seeing some detail of the planet, binoculars can work wonders. With a good pair of binoculars, stargazers can see at least the distinct central band on Jupiter and 3 of its 4 main moons. Kabelski said, a telescope can do more for those who have one, revealing the planet's bands in more detail and showing the Great Red Spot, an oval-shaped storm on Jupiter that is about the size of Earth. If you don't catch Jupiter Monday night, try again another night this week. The views should still be top-notch several days later, Kabelski said.